Welcome back to my channel, guys and gals. In today's video, I will bake okra topped with garlic salt, paprika, and red cayenne pepper, ground cayenne red pepper. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, commenting on this video, sharing this video. So let's get started. First, let's season the okra. You could cut the okra in pieces, or you can use whole okra. Just keep in mind that if you bake the whole okra, it's going to have a little slimy taste on the inside. That's a taste that I don't mind, but most people do. So if you don't want the slimy taste, please cut your okra up. Okay, let's add a little garlic salt. Let's add some red ground cayenne pepper. Finally, let's add some paprika. Okay, guys and gals, the okra is now ready to be added to the oven. I will bake the okra for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's lightly brown and tender. So here it is, folks. Baked okra topped with garlic salt, red cayenne pepper, and paprika. It looks pretty good to me. So let's plate it and let's eat. Plated and ready to eat. It actually tastes pretty good. Like I said, it still has the slimy taste on the inside. So if you don't want the slimy taste, make sure you cut them up. But it's actually pretty good for a side dish. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, commenting on this video, sharing this video. And if you like the video, smash that like button. Until next time, folks.